All I ask you is that if something becomes a challenge for your brain, all I ask you to do is just... So how many of you wanted to keep on singing? How many of you wanted to keep on singing and your own brain, voice, or whatever in your head stopped you from doing that? Did that choice benefit you? Okay, so consider what choices benefit you and what choices don't. Because I like to live in a world of win-win. What do I mean by win-win? Well, for most people, we've been taught for someone to win, someone has to what? Absolutely. This amazing poet, Sir Richard Bobby, once said, if you're not first, you're last. Ricky Bobby. Okay, I got it. It's going to be levels. It's all right. So what I want you to do is just consider living in a world of win-win because we get to be happier. How many of you work directly with kids? Okay, how many of you support people that work with kids? How many of you have seen the movie Kids? Okay, cool, awesome, okay.